how to end subscriptions on your Xbox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find what subscriptions you currently have on your Xbox, and then you can cancel things such as Xbox Game Pass, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is turn on our Xbox and make sure it's connected to the internet. Then select the Xbox button on your controller, the one that lights up, to open up the menu. From here, use the right bumper to go over in the top menu till you get to Profile and System, and then just scroll down and select Settings. Once in the settings here, just scroll down in the left menu till you get to Account, and then go to the right and select Subscriptions. You may need to unlock your Xbox, so go ahead and do that. You'll then see a list of all your subscriptions, active and canceled. Under active, if you see anything in there that you want to cancel, maybe Xbox Game Pass, go ahead and select the subscription. And then all you need to do is scroll to the bottom, select Cancel Subscription, and then turn off billing. So go ahead and select Turn Off Billing. As you can see, it gives you the date when that subscription will expire. And there you go. You have now canceled that subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.